Hello and welcome to Vogue with me. This time we're going to learn hand performance and spins. So let us begin. To begin with, we're going to have our hands out and we're going to begin with two hands, but we have to decide which is our first. So we have two hands, but I have my first hand. With my first hand, I have my second hand. 1 and 2, here we go. First hand and second hand. Again, first hand, second hand. There we go. We're going to put those two together to kind of make a flower position. Our first hand is there, and it's going to go forward. Yes, and then the second hand follows, unfolds on top. Again, two hands. First hand is going to go forward, and the second one's going to fold on top, but then kind of go to the side. This is making my roots position, what I call my roots. So, if I start out from the roots with our first hand, the second hand's going to follow. Again, first hand leads and second hand follows to my roots. First hand goes out and the second hand comes out and I'm back in my flower. 1, 2 to the roots. Here we are. 3, 4 to the flower. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. From the side, we're going to do the same thing with one hand and the other. So there's my first hand. Let's see it from the side. First hand is going to go forward. Second hand going to follow. First hand is going to come up. Second hand's going to follow. There I am. Again, first, second, to that flower. Again for this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we're going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put a slight twist in it. You can see there's a little bit of a curve in my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I get this figure 8. One is following the other. It's going a little bit fast, but this is how the flow goes. This flow can continue to be larger and larger or smaller and smaller depending how you want this hand performance to work. But it's the same principle, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from a start position, we're going to just keep on going into it. So there's no real start position here. While we have a start position, we can just go from any position. Just falling into it, making a figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we are. Now for spins, it's a quite simple dance. We're just going to do a march in a circle. Step, 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 step. I'm just holding a position and stepping and marching. Turning around, looking forward. This is my spin. There it is. So now if we put the hands and spins together, I'm just going to fall into it. So here my hands are, and I'm going to go from this kind of flowy position to the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's my pose. So let's try that again. I'm going to have my hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to go to my end. There it is. So those are those two elements together. If you would like to do those again, please replay or move on to the next video. Thank you.